Emirates NBD account opening in 2024. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can open up your Emirates NBD account in 2024. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to open up a new bank account on the Emirates NBD bank, all you have to do is first of all go to emiratesnbd.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link below. Now over here, you will see all this sorts of interface where if you want to create a new account, then you can just tap the three lines option over there and you'll find an option called accounts. So make sure to go to accounts. Now here you can see different types of account that they offer, which is standard current account. So if it is the current account that you want to choose, select the current account option and then you'll be taken to this page. Now you can open up digital account, but for this digital account you already need to have a bank account. Since we're only trying to learn to create a bank account and not only a digital account, we'll select the option called open your account here. And when we select an option called open your account, this is how it's going to look like, where we have to fill in our first name, the full name, and the email addresses and so on. And once we've done that, we can tap on the instant opening option to the bank, and then our bank account will get successfully opened after you verify the documents. This way you can open Emirates NBD account online. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.